Okay po, yung mga products namin sa Ray's ATBI Wemsu are chili garlic, daruru mushrooms, the natural air purifier made of coconut charcoal, activated po ito. And we have the Onvas product made from banana leaves. So what are the interventions na binibigay ng Wemsu dito? Okay, we do have our business business mentorship, which is provided by the ATBI office. So we have experts na nag-o-offer po ng technical consultancy and advisories para po sa ating mga incubatees. All of these products kasi are products ng aming incubatees. So we are so happy that Wemsu ATBI is very supportive of them. Tsaka yung may mga product development rin na binibigay yung Wemsu technical experts po namin sa mga incubatees. Yung incubatees are providing employment. Kasi nagkakaroon na po ng market yung product nila, so they need to employ mga workers. So nakakapag-generate po sila, nakakapag-hire sila ng mga personnel, yung mga non-professionals. And then another is that nakakadagdag ng income. Of course, it also increases income po ng ating mga Onvas. Nagbabayad na sila ng tax. So, yun ang maganda doon So, mobilization of economic activity, isa rin sa mga nakakontribute ng ating mga incubatees po.